Welcome back to Manoj Nambiar's Travel Experiences. Today we discuss about Switzerland. Switzerland is one of the world's best places to be born, live and be happy. The capital of Switzerland is Bern. Switzerland have four official languages: French, Italian, Romance and German. Their largest city is Zurich. Switzerland has more than 1,500 lakes. Switzerland's currency is Swiss franc. 1 Swiss franc is equal to 80 Indian rupees. From producing the most amount of chocolate in the world, having the lowest crime rates in the world, and for being the home of the most expensive and famous watch brands, Switzerland is a country to learn more about. Albert Einstein developed his famous formula E is equal to mc square in Switzerland. Most of the world's luxury watches are produced in Switzerland, like Tissot and Rolex. Teaching in Switzerland is one of the uppermost paid professions. Nescafe, the world's first instant coffee, was invented in Switzerland. Swiss are best mathematicians in Europe. Switzerland is one of the world's leading exporters of chocolate. Swiss chocolate makers Henry Nassau and Daniel Peter invented milk chocolate. Interlaken is a traditional resort town in the mountainous Bernese Oberland region of central Switzerland. Interlaken is a strategic base town for anyone who wishes to see a lot of the Bernese Oberland. It is surrounded by the Alps, but it is not actually in the mountains. The town is situated in between two beautiful lakes. Built on a narrow stretch of valley between the emerald-colored waters of Lake Thun and Lake Brains. The Lion Monument in Lucerne is a giant dying lion carved out of a wall of sandstone rock above a pond at the east end of the medieval town. The Latin inscription means "to the loyalty and bravery of the Swiss." The city of Lucerne derives its name from Lake Lucerne, on which it is situated. Surrounded by snow-clad mountains, the city makes an ideal tourist destination. The world-famous Timber Bridge is Lucerne's most photographed destination. Lucerne, a compact city in Switzerland known for its preserved medieval architecture, sits amid snow-capped mountains on Lake Lucerne. Together with the water tower, the bridge forms a landmark in the townscape like no other attraction. Lucerne is predominantly a German-speaking city, with 63% of the population speaking the language. Switzerland produces the most chocolate in the world. The Swiss eat more chocolate compared to any other country. Switzerland was originally called Helvetia. The official name of Switzerland is Confederatia Helvetica in Latin. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and share.